After 3 years of working hard every day on HyroTrader, working every day on executions, we onboarded more than 30,000 users into our ecosystem. We funded more than 1,400 traders, and the big corporation now started paying attention to us because we are growing fast. We created something what was not done before, and we are a leader in the industry. For crypto exchanges, is prop firm model interesting because prop firms are able to generate them new traders, volume, and basically bring them new clients for free. For exchanges, it's easier to buy already working established crypto prop firm than start building new prop firm from the scratch. We already have infrastructure, we have team members, which is very important because it's hard to find people which believe in your vision and people which all of them goes into one direction with good leadership. You know, that's the problem within every business. Always the problem is to find the best people, because it's all about the people. You are not able to do anything alone. Basically, we already had everything. We have infrastructure, we have good product and dashboard, we have already 25 plus full-time members, and we have know-how which seems other don't have, because we're creating something unique for the industry, and other smaller guys, smaller prop firms are copying that from us. So we received a big offer. We received offer like worth of $30 million to sell HyroTrader completely. You know, for many founders is this finish line, exit, you know. I was firstly excited at the start, but then I realized what is the goal of that, and the goal was basically they wanted to buy us completely and use us as a funnel, use us as a marketing tool, take our traders, and basically I didn't like that because I knew that we just started. If I accepted the offer, I would just not sell the company. I would sell all of our traders, the community, and all of our team members, which is, I think, very important to me. HyroTrader would probably survive as a brand, but the mission would be dead completely. I already seen this, for example, with one of our competitors. They were acquired a few months ago by one of the biggest US crypto exchanges. And you know, like, it's exactly the same as I said you now, basically. They bought them completely, and now they use them as a funnel to the exchange. They sold all of the clients to some big corporation which absolutely don't care about traders. They care just only about the money. Yeah, our competitor now definitely, they have big budget for marketing, for paying influencers. They definitely will grow faster than us. But they sold the vision and they sold themselves. Definitely good for founders. It was big cash out, I think. But I don't think this was our mission. But let's be honest, you know, 30 million, that's a lot of money. But I'm just a normal guy from Slovakia, small country in Europe. I'm from the small village, but I already achieved everything what I wanted in form of, you know, like this financial freedom. I bought everything, I sold the stuff what I don't need it, and more money doesn't motivate me. It will not change my life, you know, like I have nice cars, I have house, I have everything what I need. I don't need better car, better house, you know, I'm not greedy for that. I want to build something what was not done before. What motivates me is that I want to build something what was not done before. I want to build product which traders in 10, 15 or 20 years will be using on daily basis. I know that we are just basically the started. This is just the beginning. You know, I believe I created something new in this industry. We as a HyroTrader created first ever implementation with third-party exchange. We are now working on implementing other crypto exchanges. I know things about crypto prop trading that others don't know about. And that's why I believe I can help move this industry forward. And selling HyroTrader early would end this contribution to the industry. At HyroTrader, we are not building just another crypto prop firm. We are building infrastructure for next generation of crypto prop firms. We are building first decentralized crypto prop firm and protocol. And that means We will be able to integrate multiple crypto exchanges into our protocol, and we will create crypto prop firm which will be transparently on the blockchain. We will basically help exchanges to onboard new users to generate trading volume, and we will help traders to get funded on those exchanges. So it's basically a win-win situation. And we want for HyroTrader to be verifiable on the chain. We want to have payouts on the chain. We want to have trading challenges on the chain. We want to have, active challenges, failed challenges. We want to have funded traders. We want to create vaults for the best performing crypto traders, so other crypto investors and liquidity providers will be able to provide liquidity to those traders so they can scale faster. But this is not something what is possible to build within the big corporation. This works, and this will work only if the company stays independent. Many founders sell early because they want to get rich quick. They have payday. It's nothing wrong about that. But with us, I believe in bigger mission for HyroTrader. This industry is very young. Basically, we started 2-3 years ago as one of the first real crypto prop firms. Forex prop trading is around maybe 10-12 years. So basically, and now you can see within the Forex, there is, hundreds of Forex prop trading firms. Only few of them are the best. So I know that we are still at the beginning, and we have a lot of work to do. If we would sell the HyroTrader, our traders and our team members would gain nothing from all of that. The only founders and investors would gain from that. In our case, once we will launch the Hyro protocol I talked about, all of our loyal clients, partners and traders will be rewarded. And the power of HyroTrader goes to the traders, not to the corporation. And this works only if we don't sell. This doesn't mean we will never raise a capital from outside investors. I am considering and I am thinking about it that we will definitely need a help from some VC fund and investor to help us move forward, to scale faster and to grow. But we will definitely cooperate only with investors which believe in our vision and which want support our vision. We are not looking for sell HyroTrader. We are not looking for any acquisition, and we will probably never do that. If you are here in the business or in trading for just quick money, you will never understand my decision. But if you are a builder and you believe in long-term vision, you will probably understand me. You would probably understand why I refuse to sell. I believe in myself, I believe in my team, and I believe in our vision. And that's more than any money in the world. This decision of mine was not emotional, it was intentional. And I believe that in few years, HyroTrader will make that money in a few months. So if you believe in yourself, in your trading capabilities, then do not sell yourself for the money. Good traders don't close the positions because of the noise. They close once the position is done. And for me, this isn't done. Just like in trading, building requires discipline. Not taking the first trade and first opportunity, but taking the right one. And that's why I made this decision.